Hello there, everyone. Today, I just want to start off this account by unboxing a true beauty of a system, the Sega Saturn. Yeah. So I actually got it earlier last month, and on the 15th of June, my science teacher gave me it for completely free. Quite a nice chap, ain't he? And without any further blabbering, let's get to the rest of the box. So here's all like the processor information on here. Camera focus. And you can see all the stuff that most people in 1995 didn't even understand. 32-bit RISC SH2 and SH1. What's that? Well, I guess that's at least what people in 1995 were asking. Oh look, there's a stuck over receipt. I mean barcode. Wonder what caused that. It's hard to do this with one hand, but let's just taking another look around. Here's the sides. This box is a bit beat up, but this has been in storage for like 23 years, so I'd expect it to be like that. And here are all the amazing games you can get on the back. Daytona USA, it's Clockwork Knight, which I believe was actually an American launch title, along with Virtua Fighter. Mist by Sunsoft. Virtua Fighter, which I had mentioned before, just a few seconds ago. Pebble Beach Golf Links. Think you could get inside mine? Virtual Highline. What a legendary game. Maybe not in the good way, but I guess so. Panzer Dragoon. Cyber Speedway. Bug! The Mansion of Hidden Souls. Never actually heard of that one. Sega International Victory Goal. Ah yes, football on the Sega Saturn. NHL All-Star Hockey. Hockey. I always get that wrong. Robotica, Cybernation Revolt, and Digital Pinball. Now here are all the amazing accessories you can get with it. The Arcade Racer, for games like Sega Rally and Daytona. The control pad, which came with this system. What good is a console without its controller? A 6-player adapter, video CD card, the arcade stick, the mouse, which I don't actually think came out in Europe. I think it was just a Japan and North America thing. Because, like, America had the Netlink mouse and Japan had the Shaw mouse, but I'm not sure about what Europe had. Maybe they didn't even get a mouse. Since, like, I think the Netlink was only, like, a Japan and North America thing. And then you have the backup memory, which, if you can't be bothered getting a battery to replace for the system, you're gonna need it. So, without further ado, let's get into this beast. Hard to do this with one hand. On such a tiny table like this. Oh, I guess we're making progress. There's the controllers and there's a controller and leads for the system. And here is all the contents you'll get in the box. Let's just go piece by piece, starting out with the controller. These are the original Model 1 controllers. Yeah. I actually kind of like these, to be honest. We'll just put those off to the side. We have a scar to lead. With some teeth knocked out. Maybe that fight was a bit too much for it. Here's the actual connector that connects it to the system. Put that off to the side too. And a Sega Saturn branded power lead. Did North America have one of these? Not too sure. Here we have a sadly non-working copy of Sega Rally. I tested it. But hey, at least I have a big box Saturn game. And I actually have Alien Trilogy coming in the mail soon. Here's the paperwork. Here's the little card you get. Also describing all the stuff you can get with it. Along with the photo CD operating system and the RF unit. Which, why would you ever need that? Like, yes. If you... Oh, you can't... Oh, you don't have a new enough TV? Ha! Buy the RF adapter. You'll need to buy that separately. Here's the big beefy instruction manual. Here's the free demo discs it came with. Preview Sega Saturn 1, Sega Flash 5, and Sega Flash 4. Now, let's get to the final piece of the puzzle. Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful little beast. I really do love the Model 1's design. The shiny finish. It's just a shiny finish on the bum board that really does it for me. Here's the compartment where you can insert the VOCD card and replace the lithium battery. And replace the little watch battery. Also, you might be questioning about that blue button over there, which... If you want to keep your save data, and you're keeping it on the battery, do not push it. Do not push it. It will delete your save file. Also, I forgot what I was going to say. Well, that's it, guys. I'll see you next time. Where I'll hopefully review Alien Trilogy. Bye. We'll see you on the flip side.